pull from another end. You want to still have the pull tab on it. But you take and follow your seam to the full length, and you take, cross it over, and make like a 4. Okay? And cross over, make another 4. Go up to the corner, where your corner is. Take your thumb, pull off enough tape, all right, and put a little twist in the tape, and just bring it around close to the metal, and fold it over. And there you have your sharp corner, okay? Then you bring the same thing here, twist it, bring it down, cross it over, and bring it up again. The corner, just take it, twist it a little bit, bring it, keep it close to the metal, but keep it lifted up off the metal. Do it like this, like so, and like so. Same thing in the corner. And then bring it up and cross it over. Real simple. Then you take and put your seam seal on there, take your squeegee like I showed you, squeegee it down, alright? You're not going to get dirty. And take it, grab your tape from where you tore it off the end of the roll, and pull it like so. Where those folds are at, it's pretty clean. You can grab it like so. Pull it off. Take your tape, shake it in a wad, and throw it away. And then all you got to do is take your little alcohol and wipe your edges down. Okay? Real simple. You guys are going to do it today.